Moon Palace Nizuc, all-inclusive, offers 709 air-conditioned accommodations with indoor private spa tubs and iPod docking stations. Rooms open to balconies. Beds feature down comforters and premium bedding. 47-inch smart televisions come with digital channels and Netflix. Guests can make use of the in-room coffee, tea makers and minibars. Bathrooms include separate bathtubs and showers with rainfall showerheads, bathrobes, slippers, and complimentary toiletries. Guests can surf the web using the complimentary wireless internet access. Business-friendly amenities include desks and laptop-compatible safes, as well as phones. Local and long-distance calls are complimentary, restrictions may apply. Additionally, rooms include complimentary bottled water and hair dryers. Change of towels and change of bedsheets can be requested. A nightly turn-down service is provided and housekeeping is offered daily. Guests can play rounds at the 27-hole golf course and enjoy other recreation facilities including 2 outdoor tennis courts. 2 outdoor swimming pools are on site along with a children's pool. Other recreational amenities include a water slide, a 24-hour fitness center, and complimentary bicycles.